Hi everyone, this room is very good example. Do you need to do leveling or not? On the face of it, this room is very nice and flat. You can start installation right away. But don't believe your eyes. Always need to check with laser. If you don't have laser, you have to use straight edge. And I will show you how is this floor uneven. You see, I found the spot which is exactly showed you the difference between one side and another side of the room. For example, right here, you see on the subfloor we have some green lights. This is the highest spot, and I just move the laser to one side to another side and find where is the bottom laser line touched the highest spot, and it's not exactly fit to the landing. You see here is landing a little bit high, but landing a little bit bumpy on that edges, and I will grind down this edge after finish leveling. Now we have a reasonable question how you can follow this laser line, because when you start pure self-leveling compound, you have to remove this laser and you can see this line. So here is a very easy solution. You can use this concrete leveling tripods. This tripod it's base with 3 legs, and on the middle we have central bolt, which is you can move up and down. On the bottom of this bolt we have plate, horizontal plate, and this horizontal plate you can move up and down to set up exactly on this laser line. After set up all tripods, you will see the height which you have to fill up with concrete leveling compound to make this floor perfect level. Before start pure self-leveling compound, don't forget to seal the walls, all cracks, and also put primer. This is very important. If you don't put primer, self-leveling compound not bonding perfectly with old concrete. Here is the bottom plate on this tripod, which is showed us the height which is have to fill up. You see, very easy setup. Just you need only laser line and that's it. The next step, what I am doing now, I am fill up this area with self-leveling compound. Now you don't have to think too much, just mix the self-leveling compound with water and fill up this area till the bottom plate what I showed you, which is we have on this concrete leveling tripods. So when we finish all this process, we will see, you see, just you don't have to move with the concrete move over this plate, bottom plate, or it should be lower, so it should be exactly flat with this bottom plate. Always use cold water or coolest water what you have in your area, because if you use warm or hot water for self-leveling compound, your compound can be dry so fast you don't have time to make and finish whole process ideal. You see now everything is filled up very good, exactly to the bottom of this plate, bottom plate of tripods, and I move all tripods and clean it up because I want to use it in next job to do leveling. So then I'm using roller to roll it out. This is we have two things why I'm using it. First of all, it's take off air bubbles from the self-leveling compound, and second, it's spread perfectly all self-leveling compound on around this area and make nice and level. Some people said, oh, you don't have to use this roller because the self-leveling compound can spread easily by themselves. No, never. You have to use roller, and I would highly recommend to do it. I spent in this room 14 bags of self-leveling compound. It's not so much to get the perfect level in this area. When it's getting dry, you can install any floor, and it will be, this floor can use for a long time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. If you want to buy tripods, you can find link in description. See you on next video.